Video we covered about grep command and what are various options are there. Egrep, fgrep, and the normal grep commands we covered. -o -r option, everything we discussed, right? Now the next concept what we have to discuss: types of regular expressions. Types of regular expressions are patterns. Types of regular expressions are patterns like, sir, here just all regular expression patterns are divided into three types. Remember this one. How many types, right? So the patterns which talks about so only one character, or otherwise word, or otherwise okay, or otherwise line, like sir, all regular expression patterns, all regular expression patterns are divided into three types. Remember this a bit carefully, sir. Three types. Sir, the first one, the patterns which talks about character level. These things are by default considered as character patterns. Remember this one. The patterns which talks about the character level. These things are character patterns. Next, the patterns which talks about word level. Okay, word level. Those patterns are called word patterns. Next, the characters which talks about the line level. These patterns are called line patterns. Remember a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? So all regular expression patterns are divided into three types: character pattern, word patterns, and then line patterns. Any doubt about this? Please observe, sir, which patterns are related to the character, word, line? Sir, mostly all the things we use, don't worry at all. So just you are not going to get any new thing, just for clarity's sake only I'm providing. But here you may get some new things. Okay, like sir, now the first one, character patterns. Okay, now observe very carefully, sir. So these patterns talks about character level. Okay, these patterns talks about character level, sir. Sir, here if I consider this one, now observe very carefully, sir. Grep grep d star, I'm taking star is character pattern. Remember this one, d star. I'm taking demo.txt. Can you please tell what it will do? Anyone, can you please confirm what it's going to like? So it display all the lines which contains all the lines which contains d followed by any number of characters. D followed by any number of characters. Okay, like it contains all lines in demo.txt. Okay, here just observe that it display all lines which contains d followed by any number of characters, any number of characters. Are you getting? Any number of characters. Okay, like but actually strictly speaking, sir, Ubuntu may not provide support for this. Let me cross check. If it is going to provide support, well and good. Otherwise we can ignore, no issue at all. Okay, now here observe carefully. Demo.txt I'm taking. So inside demo.txt, if anything is there starts with the d, have you observed, right? Starts with the d followed by any number of characters, d followed by any number of characters, d followed by any number of characters, like perfectly it's working. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? All the people are in the position to understand. D followed by D star, D followed by star itself is a D followed by any number of characters wherever, like we are going to get. Okay, like now here just because it's always talks about character. Sir, how many characters, which character? How many characters, which character? So how many characters means any number of characters. Which characters are any character? Okay, like now I'm taking, now I'm trying to take, sir, grep. Now my requirement is C A E I O U. Okay, and then L I'm taking L I'm trying to take demo.txt. Okay, can you please tell? It will search, it will print, it will display all the lines which contains which one? It will display. It will display all lines which contains okay, Can you please spell out, sir, which contains? It is always going to search for which word. Here observe that C must be compulsory, LL must be compulsory, but here this is the character pattern. How many characters we have to take in this symbol? Only one character, only one character, only one character, one character. Next, sir, among that one character can be either A or E or I or O or U. Okay, like now it will search for CALL. Okay, CALL. It will search for CELL. It will search for CILL. Okay, it will search for COLL. It will search for CULL. Okay, in the given word. Are you getting? It will search all the lines, okay, which contain CALL, CELL, CILL, COLL, CULL, like these words it is going to search, sir. Sir, do you have any such type of files in my demo.txt? Okay, like now let me cross check, sir. I don't think okay, like no match is there. Let me add some okay, so that whether it's working or not. Okay, like now, sir, here cell phone, cell phone, cell phone will provide, will provide everything for you. Cell phone will provide everything for you. Okay, like I'm taking school bell, the school bell. Okay, school. Okay, here just observe that cell. Here cell call. Okay, what words? Cell call. Okay, like no, here just uh, call letter, call letter. Okay, call letter for the interview, for the interview, call letter for the interview. Okay, like I took, sir. Now observe this. Now have a look once, sir. I'm searching for this. Now two words, cell phone, call letter, something like. Are you getting right? Yes, friends. Is it working properly or not? Yes. Here, so if I can take this style, assume that if I can take this style, okay, like A E I O U. Sir, how many characters we can take? Can you please confirm? How many character you can take? Only one character. Here, only one character. But which character we can take, sir? Which character we can take? Either A you can take, or E you can take, or I you can take, or O you can take, or you can take. So this is only one character we can take. That character can be A, E, I, O, U, any character. Okay, like that's what you should aware. Okay, this is word character. I mean, these are character patterns, right? Now the third example. Okay, now I'm trying to take, sir, grape. Sir, here observe the B dot dot L. Okay, demo dot txt. Okay, sir, here in the regular expressions, dot means sir, dot means any character. Okay, dot means any character. Remember this one, sir. Dot means any character. Which characters are any character? You can take only one character. That character can be anything. Have you remembered? We took question mark symbol somewhere in our last video. Somewhere we used a question mark symbol. The same. Okay, dot means any character, sir. So now it will search. It will search, sir, for all four letter words. Four letter words where first letter should be, should be B. Where the first letter should be B, sir. B. Compulsory the first letter should be B, and the last letter should be L. Remember this one. Last letter should be L. Okay, the remaining two letters can be anything, no problem at all. Sir, dot means one character. That character can be anything like. Okay, let me cross check. Do you have such type of any options are there? Okay, like let me do that, sir. Okay, no match. Okay, like let me add some lines related to that. Okay, sir, here school, okay, school bell, okay, school bell at morning, school bell at morning is very danger. A school bell ring, school bell ring at morning is irritating, like anything irritating. What is the spelling? Irritation. Spell out. IR, irritation. What is the spelling for that? IRITATI. Sorry. IRITA, irritation. Is irritation like anything? Is irritation like anything? But at the evening, at the evening, it will become more pleasant. Okay. At the evening, it will become more pleasant. Okay. More pleasant. Okay. Like I'm taking, sir. Okay. Next, sir, this is ball ball for the kids. Kids can enjoy. Kids can enjoy with the ball playing, with the ball playing. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Now observe carefully, right? Okay, sir. Here bell is there. Next, a ball is there. Okay, ball is there. Like now, at least these two lines should be matched, right? These two lines should be matched. Yes. Okay, sir. This line matched. This line matched. Bell. Next, and after that, ball, like so. This dot symbol, next and after that within square bracket, whatever we are taking, this star symbol, these kind of things are by default considered as character patterns. Are you getting that? We use multiple things just for basic idea sake. Any doubt? All the things are clear for you people? Yes, no, please confirm. Dot means any character. Any character. Two dot means any word. No such type of thing. Only dot. That is the dangerous symbol in the regular expression, which means any character. Okay, like question mark is also is going to be the same meaning. Remember. But actually in other languages, question mark is at most one character. But here question mark is also working like only one character. Okay. So now that's all. This is about the word character patterns. Okay, like take a bit special care, sir. Now the second one, word patterns. Word patterns. Okay, just observe very carefully about this one, sir. Word patterns, right? Sir, these symbols are very, very important. Have you remembered? I have to search for exact word, not part of any other word. I have to search for exact word. What I do? Graph -w. Okay, graph -w, mail, sir, and then demo.txt. Somewhere we covered this type of thing. Yes, friends. Somewhere we covered this type of concept somewhere. Okay, -w. But this is the exact word match. Exact word match, or otherwise Linux exact word match. But now my requirement is the same thing you can specify in this style also. How you can do that, sir? Just observe this. Sir, what is the symbol? Can you please confirm? Respond. What is the symbol? Forward slash or backward slash? Ray, respond. Is it forward slash or backward slash? Ray, this is forward slash. But backward slash means backslash n. Okay, this is it forward or backward? This is the forward. This is the backward. Okay, here just this is the forward slash. The first one backward, backslash n, like backslash. Remember, so this is the backward backslash symbol. Okay, so now backslash, okay, less than symbol. Observe very carefully, sir. So backslash less than symbol. Now you have to take your word, and then again backslash greater than. So why backslash is required? Because so less than symbol and a greater than symbol having some meaning in our redirection. Have you remembered, right? Less than symbol and a greater than symbol having some meaning in our redirection. That's why, okay, like now it will always searches, it will always search for the given word. Remember this one. It is exactly same as okay, like remember a bit very carefully about this terminology. Of course, I will explain with an example. Don't worry at all, sir. Sir, here whatever we are taking, the same thing you can take in this style also. You are not required to use -w. Okay, backslash less than, and then sir here backslash greater than. Okay, like so either this option or this one is going to work, no issue at all. Okay, like then immediately we ask, sir, already this option is there. Why we are taking this style? Yes, this is there. It is going to provide some more extra facility. What is that? I will discuss. Sir, what is about this one? Can I use the word? This is exact word or not? Respond, respond. Is it going to talk about exact word or not? Yes, it's always going to talk about exact word like now. If I can take now, observe carefully, right? Okay, sir. Here 1 minute. Is it going to work or not? But before that, just aware these syntaxes first are 1 minute, sir. Let me show. Gedit, sir. Demo dot txt is there. Gedit demo dot txt. Here Linux classes I'm taking. Next, Linux material I'm taking. Linux videos I'm taking. Now observe carefully. Linux classes, Linux material, Linux videos, like I'm taking, sir. But this Linux is not independent word. It is mixed with some other. It is a mixed with some other like. Now have a look once. What I'm taking? Grep, sir. Grep. Okay, Linux. Grep Linux I'm taking. So demo.txt. Can you please confirm? Is it going to consider that mixed lines also or not? Yes. Okay. Linux classes, Linux material, Linux videos like. Array, your matched thing should not part of some other word. Independent word I have to search. Independent word I have to search. Then what I have to take care is here just the backslash, okay, less than symbol. Next and after that backslash greater than symbol, like this I took, sir. Observe very carefully. Backslash less than symbol, okay, like now observe the answer we are going to get. We never going to get okay, these things. Any doubt? Can you please confirm? All the people are in the position to understand, right? Okay, like exact word match. If you want exact word match, then we have to take care like this. Okay, now here just observe carefully, right? Now I'm taking any word you can take. Now here just have a look once. Okay, this is sir less than, but let me remove this one. If I remove this if I remove this, last one is not there. Yes, code symbol is optional. Yeah, last one is not there. Okay, like what is the meaning of this one is, what is the meaning of this one is here just observe carefully, right? Why in last consider independent word? Why, where it is independent word? Yeah, maybe Linux and after that which alphabet symbol is not there, that's why it is considered as independent word. Yes, here is asking why it is considered the independent word. Here it is not followed by any alphabet symbol. Okay, like now here just observe that. Anyone can you please guess what is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? So it will always it will search for the word starts with this one. Suppose here xyz I'm taking, sir. Xyz I'm taking. Yeah, xyz I'm taking. It will search for the words. Okay, starts with the xyz array. For any word at the beginning xyz is there, acceptable, no problem at all. At the beginning xyz is there, acceptable, no issue at all. Okay, like now observe carefully here what I'm trying to take. Here everywhere I use Linux classes, Linux material, Linux videos, like starts with. Okay, now material of Linux, material of Linux. Next classes of Linux, very clear. Classes of Linux, very clear. 1 minute, sir. So here material of Linux, material of Linux. Next and after that here Linux, in the middle it is the Linux word is there. Now observe carefully, sir. Have a look once among these. Okay, if I consider, if I consider, assume that this is my input, sir. If I consider grep, okay, like sir, here observe carefully. Grep, I remove this part. If I remove this part, can you please tell which things it is going to be matched among these three lines? Forget about the remaining. Which thing is going to be matched among these three lines? Only first one. Only first one. Because starts with the Linux. The word should starts with Linux. After that, anything is there. But this word not starts with Linux. This word not even though it contains Linux, but not starts with. That's why only first one is going to be matched. Let me cross check, sir. Is it going to be there or not? Okay, here have a look once about this one, sir. Now my requirement is okay. Here observe that same command I used. Now I'm going to get here starts with the Linux. Okay, starts with this word starts with the Linux. This word starts with the Linux. Starts with the Linux. Not the line starts with any word starts with the Linux. No problem at all. Here this word independent word starts with Linux. Linux classes, but the material of Linux. Okay, like all these things are not there. Okay, like now my requirement is okay. If I can take if I can take like sir, here I don't want this one, but at last backslash, okay, greater than symbol I'm taking. Backslash greater than symbol. What is the meaning of this one? It will search for the words. It will search for the words. What the meaning? Ends with Linux. Ends with Linux. If I use the same at the end, can you please tell which line is going to be considered among these three lines? Among these three lines, which line is going to be considered? Only second line. Only second line. Okay. Now, if you want, observe carefully. Yes, only second. Have you observed? Ends with Linux. Ends with Linux. So these three things are by default considered. Yes. Okay. Word patterns. Array exact word should be matched. Then automatically this style we are going to use. Or the word starts with, or the word ends with, then we require to use these. These three things are by default considered. Yes, word patterns. But this one, the first one is exactly same as hyphen W, but these two things are extra you have to aware. Clear? We respond. All the people are in the position to understand, right? Okay. Now, not required to keep any explanation about this one. Okay, like so word patterns are very clear for you people, right? So exact word, wherever exact word is there, not mixed with some other word. Next, so word should starts with XYZ, and after that anything is there in that word, no problem for me. But here ends with XYZ word. Before that anything is there, no problem. So these three are by default considered. Yeah, word patterns. Remember a bit very carefully about this terminology, right? Okay, so not required to keep much explanation. I hope you people are in the position to understand clearly, right? Okay, like sir, now what is the next one? Normal, nothing. So whenever you want to use sir, here less than symbol, greater than symbol, okay, like because these symbols having some special meaning, if you want to use these for some other purpose, then we require to use backslash. Backslash means escape characters, remember. Okay, now here there is one more example if you want. Sir, now have a look once, sir. Gedit, okay, some numbers, numbers dot txt I'm taking, sir. Numbers dot txt I'm trying to take. Now my requirement is, sir, 1 2 3 4 I'm taking. 1 2 3 4 5 6 I'm trying to take. Next, here 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 I'm taking. Next, 6 7 5 6 7 5 4 3 I'm trying to take. Next, 1 2 1, like I have these numbers are there, sir. Assume that some numbers are there. Okay, now here observe that carefully, right? This is numbers dot txt. Okay, like numbers dot txt is there. Okay, like sir, this is now I'm taking grep, sir, grep command. Okay, sir, backslash less than. Okay, now I'm trying to take 0 to 9, 0 to 9, Next 0 to 0 to 9, 0 to 9. Okay. Next the backslash. Okay, like a greater than symbol I'm taking, followed by numbers dot txt. So what is the meaning of this one? Anyone, can you please tell? How many matches are there if I use like this? Please confirm. How many matches are there if I use this one? Which line is going to be matched, sir? Which line is going to be matched? It is here just to take very special care. It's always going to search for independent word, because this is the exact word pattern, not starts or ends, exact word. So in that word, first character anything you can take 0 to 9, second character anything you can take 0 to 9. So it will always it will always search it will always search for numbers which contain exactly two digits, exactly two digits, exactly two digits, that's all. So then which number is going to be matched as per this query, as per this command, sir? Can you please tell? First one is not matched because it is a word, but it contains four digits. It is also not matched, not matched, but here it is going to be matched, but this one not matched, sir. Only one match will be there. What is that match? Only one match will be there. What is that match? Is 1 2. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. Here observe. Yes, only one match is there. That match is 1 2. Any doubt? Please confirm. Any doubt about this one? Okay. Now here my requirement is okay. Now I'm taking same thing, sir. Same thing. Okay. Now here just have a look once, sir. So here my requirement is here I'm taking. I remove this one. I remove this. Can you please tell what it is going to search for? It will search for numbers which compulsory should contain four digits, starts with four digits, and then any number you can take, and then any number you can take. Are compulsory four digits must be compulsory, and then you can take anything. Sir, 1 2 3 4 matched. Even second one also matched, because 1 2 3 4 and this is also matched. This is also matched, but the last two things are not matched. Remember this one. So all these four matches are there for this command. Let me cross check. Don't get confused. Okay. Have you observed, right? All these things are matched or not? Yes, friends. All these things are matched or not? Yes. All these are matched things only. Okay, like now I'm taking, now I'm trying to take. Okay. Here, the same thing I'm taking, but at last, okay, like sir, now let me remove this one. Okay, let me remove, and let me remove, sir. Here, like this, I'm taking. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? Can you please confirm? Compulsory, the word should end with the two digits. Compulsory, the word should end with the two digits. But before that, any number of digits are there, no problem at all. Compulsory should end with the two digit. Before that, any number of digits are there, no problem at all. Ends with the two digit, ends with the two digits, ends with the two digit, ends with the two digits, ends with the two digits. Sir, the first five are going to be matched. Okay, remember carefully. Okay, now here observe that. Now, are you in the position to understand? Any doubt? Clear? So this is about word patterns. Okay. So what is the meaning of, sir, here within less than greater than word only starts with ends with what is the meaning of that? Okay, like sir, that's all. Next, sir, the third category. Up to this we covered character patterns we discussed. Next, word patterns also we discussed. What is the third category, sir? Line patterns. Remember a bit very carefully about this one, sir. Line patterns. Okay, like line patterns. Okay, sir. Two important things. Of course, here multiple things are not there. Only two things are there, line patterns. Sir, these line patterns also known as anchors. Remember, what is that? Can you please spell out, sir? Line patterns also known as anchors. Anchors like, okay. Sir, now cap symbol, if I can take. Cap symbol, cap symbol. What is the meaning of cap symbol? Somewhere we covered, somewhere we covered. The line starts with, sir, the Python, the people who are attending Python sessions, Django, URL patterns, we have to define this one, cap symbol. Line starts, line starts with urls.py file. The people who are coming from Python background, everywhere, sir, these things must be there. Line starts with, okay. If I take a dollar symbol, what is the meaning of that? Please confirm, friends. What is the meaning of this one? Line ends with, line ends with, okay, like line starts with, line ends with, okay. Please make sure, sir, you people should aware these two things, right? Okay, like now I'm just taking this one here. Observe that grep command. Okay, now, sir, I'm taking demo.txt. Okay, observe. So what lines it is going to display? Can you please confirm? Okay, line patterns are only two things, sir. Don't worry at all. Line patterns are only two things. Only two things, sir. Okay, like these are also known as anchors, sir. Cap symbol means starts with. Dollar symbol means ends with. That's what you should aware. Now, sir, it will display all the lines starts with a D. It will display, display all lines starts with the D like this, right? Okay, let me cross check. Let me cross check, sir. Okay, now observe this. Sir, now no line starts with the D. Array, let me cross check. D edit demo.txt. Okay, like, sir, no line starts with the D. Okay, like no line starts with the D. Now let me take some lines. Django is Python web based Python based framework to develop web applications web applications. Okay, like I'm taking, sir, this is next. And after the docs situation, what is the spelling? C situation, S C, right? Docs situation is SRC. Docs situation, please. Okay, yes, docs situation is situation is very dangerous these days, these lockdown days. Okay, lockdown days. Okay, lockdown days, because human beings are taking a bit care, sir, but dogs were not having that much intelligence. Okay, storing the required things is not there. Okay, two worst situation, the dogs and the pigeons. Okay, like they are suffering like anything, these animals. Okay, the dogs especially. Okay, now observe that G, yeah, any line, can you please provide starts with D? Yes, observe that Django is Python based framework to develop, okay, like dogs. Okay, like, are you in the position to understand, right? So the first one starts with the D. Any doubt about this? Please respond. Any doubt about this one? Ray, respond. Any doubt about this? Clear, right? Okay, well, now I'm taking grep. Okay, now, sir, the I'm taking, okay, demo.txt. Can you please tell what it's going to provide? It will display, display all lines starts with the array. The first three characters, in the line is the that's all, sir. And after that, anything is there, no problem at all. Now here, observe that, do you have any such type of things are there or not? Okay, here just observe the knowledge of Linux is required everywhere. Okay, now let me take demo.txt. One more thing I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, here my requirement is therefore, sir, it is very important. Something like I'm trying to take. Okay. Now here, even it is not independent word, even it is not independent word, but the first three characters are THE or not? Please confirm. Respond, friends. The first three characters are THE or not? Yes. This one also is going to list out or not? Yes. Observe carefully. Now have a look. One starts with the, starts with the. Okay, like now here observe. It is not starts with the word. The first three characters of every line should be THE. That's all. It may be independent word or it may be part of some other word. No problem at all. Okay, like now, sir, here I'm trying to take same thing only. Now observe carefully about this one, sir. Here my requirement is observe that. Okay, backslash less than, next and after that backslash greater than, like I'm taking, sir. What is the difference between this one and this one? Please confirm. Both are starts, both are starts, but what is the difference between this one and this one? Anyone, can you please tell? Please confirm. Okay, here the thing is, here just observe. It will display, it will display all lines, all lines starts with the word the. Okay, remember, compulsory it should independent word the should be there. Okay, here all lines starts with three characters, starts with three character THE. Okay, like sir, this one need not be independent word in the previous case, but in this case compulsory this thing should be independent word. Remember that. Okay, like now have a look. Whenever I specified like two matches are there, but if I use this command, but if I use this command, can you please tell how many matches will be there? Please confirm. If I use this command, how many matches will be there? Only one match. Which one? Only the first one, sir. Because independent word, I'm always looking. Okay. The knowledge of Linux is required anywhere. Perfect. It's working properly, right? So clear. Not required to keep any explanation about this one. Even in here, word patterns we are going to use, right? Next, I'm taking. Sir, here just observe that grep command. Grep command. Here, my requirement is cap symbol starts with AEIOU. Okay, like I'm taking demo.txt. Yeah. Can you please tell what is the meaning of this one? Yes, friends. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of this one? Anyone? Anyone? Can you please tell what it means? So it will display all the lines starts with the vowel, starts with vowel. Okay, remember, it will display, it will display all, it will display all lines, all lines starts with the vowel. Okay, starts with the vowel. Okay, like starts with the vowel. Like now have a look once, sir. Okay, now have a look once. Okay, like have you observed? No line starts with the vowel. It seems. Let me cross check gedit demo.txt. Okay. Array multiple lines are there. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, like A, E, I, O, U not there. But here in is there, but capital I. That is the problem. Capital I. Okay, like now I'm taking sir A, A for apple, A for A for apple. Okay. A for apple. E for egg. Egg. E for egg. Any yeah, I for ice. Okay, like I'm taking like. Now observe that. Now have a look once. Yes, A for apple, E for egg, I for ice, something like we are going to get. Yes, it is always going to search. The lines starts with the vowel, lowercase alphabet symbol, vowel. Okay, like now listen very carefully, sir. This part is the very important, friends. Suppose if I can take ABC, listen carefully. If I can take ABC, what is the meaning of this one? Please confirm. Hey, respond. We covered in detail in the last videos. If I can take ABC, what is the meaning of this one? Either A or B or C. If I can take Sir, negation ABC. What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? Except A or B or C. Okay, if I can take cap symbol ABC, cap symbol ABC. What is the meaning of this one? Same meaning only. Remember this one, except ABC, except ABC. Okay, except A, B and C, except A and B and C, except A and B and C. Here also, except A and B and C. Okay, like you can use okay either this part or this part, no problem at all. Remember, now my requirement is the same thing I'm taking, same thing I'm trying to take, sir. Okay, here another cap symbol I'm taking. What is the meaning of this one? Please confirm. As with our knowledge, it will display all lines. It will display. It will display all lines. All lines. All lines not starts with well. Correct or not? Okay. So it will display all lines. All lines starts with so not AEIOU, not AEIOU. Okay, like that. Not AEIOU. Okay, like that. Now observe carefully. Observe carefully. Now here have a look once. Have a look once. Sir, here not starts with okay, last three lines we didn't get, but earlier three lines we got. Have you observed here for okay, like but except last all the remain not starts with the well, okay, like we are going to get. Remember carefully, sir. All these you have to practice. Observe carefully. Okay, next up. So starts with the multiple examples we covered. Starts with the starts with the D, starts with the D, and starts with the word the, like multiple examples we discussed, right? Now let me go for ends with. Okay, grep I'm taking. Grep I'm taking. Sir, T ends with means which symbol we require to use? I forgot. Please confirm. I forgot. Which symbol we require to use? Ends with. Ends with dollar, dollar. Okay, demo.txt. It will display. It will display. It will display all lines. All lines. Ends with dollar. It will display all lines. Ends with sorry. Ends with T. Ends with T. T sir. Ends with T. Okay. Do you have any such type of lines are there? I don't know. Let me cross check, sir. Okay. Now observe that. Yes. Therefore, it is important. Okay. Next, school. Sir, bell ring at morning is irritation. Like anything, but at evening it will become more pleasant. Okay. Like getting right. Ends with the T. Ends with the T means dollar symbol we require to take. Any doubt? Please confirm. Clear. Okay. Now I'm trying to take. Now my requirement is same grep command. Same grep command only. Okay. Here A E I O U like this I'm taking, sir. A E I O U like I'm trying to take. Can you please tell what is the meaning of this one? Please confirm. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of this one? If anyone tell what is the meaning of this line? AEIOU ends with the vowel. Okay, it will display all lines ends with the vowel. Okay, it will display all lines ends with the vowel. Okay, like you should aware, sir. Now let me cross check what is the answer we are going to get. Yes, ends with E, ends with E, ends with E, ends with sir E. Like let me take gedit demo.txt. Okay, like sir, here I'm taking oi oh, okay. So hello, hi. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Hello, hi. Oi hello, hi. I'm taking. Ends with I. Ends with I is there. Okay, like now observe carefully. Now observe that. Yes, ends with I. Ends with I. Is it covered or not? AEIOU ends with any vowel. Okay, then it is going to be there. Okay, like now the next one. Now the next cinema, sir. Observe a bit carefully. Next I'm taking grep. Same thing only, grep, same thing only. Here, 0 to 9 I'm taking, sir. Can you please tell what it's going to do? Yes, friends, what it will do? It will display. You have to tell. It will display. It will display all lines ends with the digit, ends with the digit. Okay. Now let me take. I didn't use a digits anywhere in my file. That's why no match will be there. No match. Okay. Now let me take gedit demo.txt. Gedit demo.txt. Okay. My car number is okay, TS07EA, okay, 7777. Okay. My phone number, okay, my phone number is sir, here 897777. Okay. Here just I'm trying to take 7. Okay. Here I'm trying to take 7. Okay, like I'm trying to take, sir. Don't okay. Here my phone number is okay, like sir. Now ends with 7. Ends with 7. Okay, like we have next. My lucky number. My lucky number is 7. Okay, like now there are some digits ends with okay, like we have. Okay, like now observe carefully, right? Now the same command. Now the same array ends with the digit. Ends with the digit. Ends with the digit. Okay, like clear? Any explanation is required? Respond. Okay. Yeah, all these things are correct answers only. Okay, don't worry. Yeah. Okay, now the next thing what I have to take. Okay, here this is a bit. So ends with okay. Like now, if I can take a grep command. Okay, starts here Unix like this. I'm taking dollar. I'm taking okay demo.txt. Anyone, can you please tell which things it is going to print, sir? Please confirm. Yeah, yeah. Please confirm which things it's going to print. Okay. Most of the people are going to feel starts with Unix and ends with Unix. Most of the people are going to feel starts with Unix and ends with Unix. Suppose Unix is there. Is this line is going to be considered or not? Is this line is going to be considered or not? No, no. Remember this one. So from the beginning and the end in the middle, only Unix should be there. Only Unix should be there. Beginning and end in the middle, only Unix. So it will display. It will display all lines where total line content is only Unix. That's all. Only Unix, where total line content is only Unix like this, right? Okay. Now have a look once. You are not having any match, or otherwise, sir, let me take a Linux. Okay, because we have multiple times I used Linux word. Okay, Linux. Now observe that. Sorry, because the reason is Linux is there. Okay, Linux is there, but the total line doesn't contain Linux. Now observe. Now observe, somewhere Linux is there. Okay, like what I'm trying to take is Linux here. Okay, that line contain only Linux. Here I'm taking Linux here. Okay, that line contain only Linux, no other things. Okay, like now observe. Yes, only Linux. Those lines only. Remember. Any doubt? Yes. Is it clear for you people? Clear, right? Okay. Now here just observe that. Observe carefully, right? Now I'm taking grep, grep. Okay. Here just the cap symbol, cap symbol. Okay. Cap symbol I'm taking. Dot, 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 dollar symbol I'm taking. And then demo.txt. What is the meaning of this one? grep, grep. Okay. Cap symbol I'm taking. Dot, 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 dot. Dollar symbol I'm taking. What the? So this line contain exactly 4 characters, where it display all the lines which contain exactly 4 characters. That 4 characters can be anything, no problem at all. Okay, it display. it display all lines, it display all lines which contain exactly four characters, exactly four characters. Okay, that four character can be anything, no problem at all. The total line should contain only four characters. That's what. Okay, like yes, do you have any such type of word is there or not? Let me cross check, I'm not sure. Okay, sir, we have the other file is there, numbers.txt, numbers.txt. Okay, like yes, only sir 1 2 3 4 1 6 7 8 9. So the line which contain only four characters, only four characters. Okay, like now sir, if you want here observe the numbers.txt. In the line contain only four characters, this line and this line. Clear? Any explanation is required? Space is also considered normal. Space is also considered. Any character, including special character also. Need not be alphabet symbol under digit. Okay. Now the next thing here, observe this. Grep command I'm taking. Grep command I'm trying to take. Now observe that. Sir, here cap symbol I'm taking. Cap symbol I'm trying to take. Okay. Sir, here backslash dot I'm trying to take demo.txt. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of this? Sir, if I can use a dot. Sir, if I can use dot. So what dot means what? Dot means what? Any character, any character, any character. One character, that character can be anything. Starts with one character. Starts with one character means array, every file should starts with one character only. Okay, now observe that. Starts with one character. All the lines by default is going to come. So it's always starts with one character. And then anything you can take, no problem at all. But now my requirement is I want all the lines display all lines display all lines starts with the dot symbol, starts with the dot symbol, because in regular expressions dot means any character, but dot symbol, any line starts with the dot symbol. Okay, backslash dot. If you want to use a dot as a symbol, then we require to use backslash dot. Remember a bit carefully, right? Okay. Now, do you have any line starts with the dot symbol is there or not? No line. Let me edit my file. Let me edit my file. Okay, here gedit demo dot is a very dangerous character in regular expressions. In regular expressions, I'm taking some dot. Okay, like now observe. Let me use this one. Now that line is going to come or not? Yes, dot is treated as a symbol, but not its internal meaning. Clear? Any doubt? Okay. Now observe carefully, right? Sir, if I'm taking like this, what is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of this line? You have to tell, sir. Grep command I'm taking. Grep command I'm trying to take. Okay, here backslash dollar I'm trying to take. Backslash dollar demo dot txt. Anyone, can you please tell what is the meaning of this one? Okay, sir, here just observe this one. So anything followed by dollar is there, assume that. What is the meaning of this one is ends with x, ends with x. Here dollar is there, ends with this one. So what is this, sir? Dollar symbol, because dollar means special meaning is there. If you want to consider dollar as a symbol, just I added backslash. Okay, what this one is going to tell, can you please confirm? Respond. Display all lines, display all lines ends with the dollar symbol, ends with the dollar symbol. Don't get confused, don't get confused. Okay, like so ends with the dollar symbol, I have to take. If I can take like this, sorry, it is not going to work, because dollar means a special meaning is there. ends with the dollar. So compulsory backslash must be required. Okay. Now let me take this one. Let me take. I don't think I didn't use dollar symbol anywhere. That's why there may be a problem. Okay. Now, so here, uh, uh, the the medicine. Okay, medicine for all problems. For all problems is dollar. Dollar. The medicine for all the problems is dollar. Okay, like I'm taking, sir. Now here just observe carefully. Now is that line is going to display or not? Yes, the medicine for all problems is a dollar. Okay, like any doubt? Okay. Now the next one, here observe this. Very, very important, sir. Very, very important. So dollar grep I'm taking. If I can take a cap symbol Linux dollar symbol, 1 minute, demo.txt. What it's going to provide? Please confirm. What it's going to search? Legend carefully. What it's going to search? Ah, it will display the lines which contain so Linux. So from beginning to end, only Linux should be there. From beginning to end, only Linux should be there. Now I remove this one. What is the meaning of this? Can you please confirm? So from beginning to end, nothing should be there. From beginning to end, nothing should be there. Can I use the word, is it a blank line or not? Yes, just a blank line. Okay. It will display. It will display all blank lines. All blank lines. Have you remember we use this type of concept somewhere in the shell programming? The people who attended parallelly, correct? The people who attended parallelly, we use this concept somewhere in the shell programming. Remember, okay? Now have a look once about this terminology, right? Okay. Now no blank lines, no blank lines here. Let me provide some blank lines in the middle. Okay, here one blank line, here also one blank line I'm taking, here also one blank line, here also one blank line. 4 blank lines are there. Okay. Now my requirement is, sir, here observe that 4 blank lines. Am I getting 4 blank lines or not? Yes. Sir, how we can confirm it is the 4 blank lines? WC-L. Yes. How many blank lines we are getting, sir? 4 blank lines we are going to get. Any doubt? All the people in the position to understand clearly. Okay. Sir, now my requirement is, take a bit special care, sir. I want all the lines except blank lines. I want all lines except blank lines. What is the way? Please confirm. I want all lines except blank lines. What is the way? Hyphen V option we have to use. Sir, non-blank lines we are going to get. Non-blank lines we will get. Okay. Now these many lines are there without a blank. Okay, non-blank lines we are getting. Okay, please make sure, sir. Clear, right? Okay. Now my question is, write okay commands, write the commands, write commands to delete blank lines, to delete blank lines present in the given file. Present in the given file. This is about my requirement, right? Write commands to delete blank lines present in the given file. Okay. Sir, assume my file is demo.txt. Demo.txt. Can you please delete blank lines present in demo.txt? Yes. If I consider my demo.txt, multiple blank lines are there. Yes. Here one blank line, here one blank line, like multiple blank, 4 blank lines are there. I have to delete. Can you please tell what is the way? What is the way? What are the commands we require to use? Yes, friends. Please confirm. What is the commands we require to use? Very simple. Very simple, sir. So to delete the blank lines, I don't want blank lines. Sir. Okay. What I will take is except the blank lines. all the remaining data. I don't want blank lines. Except the blank lines, all the remaining data, can you please save to temp.txt. Now, temp.txt contains, please confirm, temp.txt contain non-blank lines, correct or not? Temp.txt contain non-blank lines, okay? Now, rename this temp.txt as rename temp.txt as demo.txt. Okay, remember, rename, okay, like, because you have to make remove all the blank lines present in the demo.txt. After completing our commands, everyone is going to open demo.txt and blank line should not be there, not temp.txt. That's why first all non-blank line, can you please move to temp.txt and rename temp.txt with the demo.txt. Okay, that's all. If I execute these two commands, then my life will, so our requirement is going to be fulfilled. Let me cross check, sir. Both commands, I'm just copy paste here. Yes, copy paste. Now, let me open demo.txt. You never going to see any blank lines. Yes. Are you seeing anywhere blank line? Cat demo.txt. Are you seeing anywhere blank line? Okay. That's all. Some people here may feel the doubt, sir, why you have to take inside demo.txt? Why you require to take inside demo.txt? Okay, why don't you, sir, write the non-blank lines to the same file only? Like some people may feel, sir, some people may feel why temp is required. Can you please write to demo.txt? Okay, this command won't work. Compulsory we have to bring temp.txt in the picture. Remember carefully, compulsory we have to bring temp.txt in the picture. Okay, so this command won't work. If you want, let me cross check here. Yes, input file and output file is the same. That's why, sorry, it is going to tell some error. Input and output file is the same. Okay, like, so please make sure, sir, write all non-blank lines to temp.txt and then rename temp.txt as demo.txt. That's it. Clear? Are you feeling any difficulty to understand this syntax? I mean these commands?